Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Magnific AI versus Topaz AI versus Krea, best image enhancing tool. Looking for the best image enhancement tool? Let's break down Magnific AI, Topaz Photos AI, and Krea AI, all tailored for different needs. If you're an artist or illustrator, Magnific AI is your creative powerhouse. It offers upscaling up to 16 times, detailed customization for HDR and resemblance, and it's perfect for enhancing illustrations. But it may slightly change the look of portraits and takes longer to process. For photographers, Topaz Photo AI is a top pick. It uses advanced AI for sharpening, noise reduction, and raw support. With seamless Photoshop and Lightroom integration, it's fast, efficient, and hands-free. But if it comes with a higher one-time price and less focus on creative edits. Now, if you're just exploring AI tools, Krea AI is beginner-friendly and currently free during its alpha phase. It's simple to use with natural results, though limited to 3K resolution and basic settings. So go with Magnific for creative control, Topaz for professional quality, and Krea for casual, free enhancement. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.